Hello guys, so today we're going to be learning how to draw hair. So first up we're going to draw some some hair templates. So let's just draw a normal face. And then I'm thinking of going with curly. Try to make the hair just a bit big face if you're going to go with something very buff. And yeah, and then we're gonna do more templates. So you can draw some. Okay. So we can draw some straight hair. Just drawing some shoulders right now. I know that they're not like good, but yeah. And then we'll come here. I think that's it. Okay, now we're gonna get some paint and paint it, like paint the hair and stuff. I'm gonna go with brown and you can go with it, but like you can go with any color, but it's most best if you go with brown. Okay, just paint. It's most best if you go with brown because it's the color I'm doing, and then maybe when you do the hair alone, then you can go with anything else. So yeah. Now, okay, I'm finished coloring this one. Now I'll just color this one. Obviously, you shouldn't color the face and the shoulders and stuff. So yeah. Now we wait for it to dry. While this paint is drying, we have to get the colors that we're gonna use. So white, most important, and the browns, 2 browns here, and gray, and yeah, that's it. Just a little tip, only stroke the pencil colors when the paint dries, so the paper doesn't rip. Finally, the paint dried, so now I'm gonna start with the first color, which is white, and I'm gonna go into like these lines. So, like this, and I'm gonna just do and like wavy lines. So now, like just like what I'm doing, it looks more like a brain, but it marks the shape of the hair, the way it is. And then I'm gonna go with this dark brown, and I'm gonna do different lines. So I want the hair going in a bunch of different directions. So and yeah. So yeah. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. It isn't dry enough, but it's fine. What happens when it's just too wet and you don't? Yeah, it's just fine. But if it rips, just tape over it. Like put this under, and put tape over it. But just note that the tape won't be easy to draw on. So yeah, but this is a whole mess. But also that's why you should try not to press on. Anyways, we're gonna go to the next color, a lighter brown. The lighter brown, and go around it. If the rip is going this side, then you color that side. If you do this side, then the rip is gonna fall. It's just gonna be worse. Oh, I just gave you an R-Tech. Haha. And now we're gonna go with gray. Ta-da! Yeah, don't want that. Ta-da! Ha! Now to the straight hair. She looks extraordinarily thin. Anyways, as usual, we're gonna start with white and go over like I want her hair to go like this. Obviously, the boy's hair. And then I'm gonna take the dark brown, like go from white and then darkest to lightest. I'm gonna go with the gray. Gray applies for. Okay, maybe put some. And then we don't want these ends. Then just go with. The light brown. Whee. And then the gray. That's it. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.